Welcome to PGT Trucking's training and orientation facility. Starting your career with a new carrier can be intimidating, but here at PGT Trucking, we make sure you feel comfortable from day one. Our friendly team is here to guide you through the entire training process, helping you become a proud professional at PGT. Our driver orientation takes place in Blairsville, Pennsylvania, about 1 hour east of Pittsburgh. No matter where you are from or what terminal you work with, all PGT proud professionals start their career here. We will take care of your travel arrangements to Blairsville so that you are ready to start class on Monday morning. This includes hotel accommodations for the week, and it's conveniently located just minutes from our training facility. Ground transportation is also provided to and from the hotel each day, and there are several places nearby to grab a quick bite or run to the store for any last-minute items. When you arrive at our training facility, you will be greeted by our professional driver instructors, safety managers, office staff, and members of PGT senior leadership. PGT Trucking is a family, and we want you to feel right at home. You'll enter the classroom and see your name tag with your prepared training materials, PPE gear, and any other items you'll need throughout the week. Lunch is provided every day in our cafeteria, which is a great place for you to relax and get to know your fellow drivers during breaks. Your week will start in the classroom discussing safety policies and best practices, flatbed fundamentals, cargo securement, and the PGT way. Our experienced driver instructors are here to guide you through the entire process, and they will answer any questions that you may have. Whether you are an experienced flatbed truck driver or new to the industry, our customized orientation process will provide you the knowledge you need to be both safe and efficient while out on the road. Most of your week will take place in our training bay, where you'll gain hands-on experience by properly securing all types of commodities while observing safety protocols under the guidance of our expert training staff. We believe that the combination of hands-on training and classroom learning drives the success of our newest drivers here at PGT. For experienced flatbed drivers, you'll be ready to seat in your new truck after you complete your orientation, which comes straight from our inventory of late model International and Peterbilt tractors. We'll get you ready for the road by preparing your paperwork, equipment, and other essentials, and you'll speak with your fleet manager about picking up your first load. If you are new to the flatbed industry, you'll complete additional training over the road with one of our certified pro trainers, experienced drivers who are committed to helping you build the foundation for a long, successful career at PGT. With their expert guidance, you'll be ready to drive solo in no time. Once you have earned your keys and are out on the road, just remember, you can always call this terminal home. PGT's training team is here for you, no matter what you need.